What's up? I'm Gears of Snore, and this is 434 South. We're on the New York side of this bridge. When we get off, we'll be on the PA side. And we're gonna pass where you turn off for Romans. We're not going, but I'll show you. We'll save that for another video. It's actually, I believe that's it right here. Chauncey Thomas Road. Okay, I've been down this before. This is a nice ride. I didn't realize I had been down this before, but we were literally sitting at Cedar Rapids Bar and Grill, and my friend looks at the phone, he's looking at the map, he's like, let's go home this way. This is how you find new routes. Not that, I mean, Nico knows hell of routes. It's like a human GPS. Deer. See it? Hey, little buddy. Showtime! Woo! We're Gears of Snore with Woodland Friends. I feel just like a Disney princess. That thing I said about scenery and rides. Look at this curvy road with trees curving over it. This is so cool. If I said it yet, but I ordered the first part of a Corbin seat for this bike, which would be the part I sit on. You know, I have this Sundowner Solo or something it's called for the Pan Am. Harley makes it. It sits you lower. It's a good seat, man, but like after 110, 115 miles, the cushion's starting to, I guess, lose its support. I'll probably order the back part of the seat, second paycheck. Ends up being like $1,000 for both. I was like, oof. Whatever they paved this road with, it's weird. It gives it the look that there's like small rocks all over the road. What you do know is that if you give my video a thumbs up or leave a comment, I would appreciate it. Look at that. Big Sheila, are you liking scenery? That means yes. 2 throttle turns means yes. 1 means the Sheila isn't happy. As always, I'm out here on my 2024 Harley Davidson Pan America, which I can't say enough good things about. I was a bagger guy, never thought I was gonna change, and you know, after getting sick in 2023 and getting to win the cancer lottery, I was like, you know, you have limited time on this little blue marble in the sky. Why restrict yourself to one thing or another, like that left turn? You get what I'm getting at? Listen, if you like baggers and you know you're not going to like something, I get it. You're you and I'm me. But I'm telling you, if there's ever an inkling of wanting to try something different, go to a demo day. If you ride this bike, right, I guarantee you it'll blow your mind. I always had forwards except for my dirt bikes and ATVs. I'm on mids. The mids on this bike are comfortable. I almost prefer them over the forwards. I put the forwards off a Heritage Softail on my Lowrider ST, and I did not like the mids on the Lowrider ST. My personal opinion, they were just too high, and honestly, the pegs they put on there were horrible. Easy fix, right? You put mini floorboards or something. But when I switched it to those forwards, it felt like the bike should have came with that. The Lowrider ST, that is. But these are very comfortable. They surprised the hell out of me. I think the hardest thing for me with this bike was getting used to having a 9,000 RPM instead of, you know, $4,000, 4,500 done unless you put a cam in. And this will pull all the way up. Hell, it'll pull the front tire off the ground as you start getting around the higher RPMs if you don't pay attention. It is usable power. You don't have to, you can leave it in gear longer. You know, the vibration isn't bad at all into the bars, and that's even with a A1 2-inch up, 1-inch back riser. Very happy. I mean, this bike's got TPS. Like, and it has angled valves, so it's easy to put air in the tires. Like, come on. Come on. Long Pine Road. Alright, I won't pass. Jeez. Curious what you guys think about lighting on motorcycles. I think lighting is just as important as a loud exhaust, and I'm going to be putting another set of lights on the front of this. They were recommended, and I've seen them, and they look nice. They're not huge. I think they'll really complement the front and the lights. I thought they were called Squadron or something. Would be doing the wide beam because they're fog lights. They're about $220 a pop. Oh, almost looks like a Carolina pine. Yeah, so what do you guys think? upgrading your lighting. I always did LEDs on my baggers. I like the look, and like I said, I mean, look at Ray's front light. That thing is bright. I think one of the biggest complaints with the Pan America was the lighting was subpar. I haven't ridden it at night, so I wouldn't know. Big drop there, huh? Even when I talk about a topic, I don't pre-plan that. This is all off the top of my head. That's why the conversations are always all over the place. But I like to be in the moment, and, you know, this is what I'm feeling, this is what I'm thinking about. You know, if other people go out and they write topics and stuff, hey man, good for you. Big Sheila, baby. Sun's out, guns out. Ooh, guns. Ooh, no sun. Lots of ADV bikes out today. Lots of Harley baggers. Nothing wrong with that. Ride what puts a smile on your face. Make sure you go ride one of these. Hey man, don't be blowing those clippings out in the road, you son of a bitch.
You son of a bitch.
If you made it this far, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. I saw I just surpassed 100 viewers on my channel, and I'm nothing but honored. This is something I started as a hobby. It's something that will be a hobby, but it means a lot that people are watching my videos, and hopefully you guys go out and get cameras and start your own channels, and I'll follow you right back and watch, because I don't really watch TV. I exist on YouTube, you know, or Disney Plus if there's a good series on. I'm about to watch, what's that, Andor Season 2. Just watched The Accountant 2 on Prime last night. Good friggin' movie. Good movie, man. But, yeah, drop my videos. 3 p.m.-ish every Friday. Appreciate you all. Have a great day.